To the parents or guardians of Ada, I, as the dean of Ada's school, am regretful.
Okay. I already read the letter. I know what it is. I know. What are we gonna do though? Okay, you guys, so just to give you a little idea of how crazy and serious and severe the situation has gotten, I'm gonna show you a little something that I received this morning. A letter from the principal right here to the parents or guardians of Ada. I, as the dean of Ada School, am regretfully delivering this message. Unfortunately, your child has been caught selling slime. Okay, not for the first time, not for the second time, but for the third time. Confession time.
What?
I just want you to know I have not talked to Dad about anything yet. Okay? But I got a letter from the principal. Do you have any idea what that could be about? You guys, I don't know how she's doing this. We confiscated all of her slime supplies, all of like slime containers, everything. My only guess is that she's stealing like the glue from school and then sneaking it here and making slime and hiding it from me, but I don't know where because there has been no slime containers anywhere.
No.
Nothing? Anything good maybe? Like,
No.
anything bad?
No.
So you haven't been selling slime at school for the third time. I've not found any kind of contraband. Speaking of contraband, he goes on to say this is a serious offense here. Slime is considered contraband and is not allowed on school grounds at any time. Even if you're not selling it, they don't allow slime at school. And I don't blame them because I don't even want it in my house. It's a mess.
What are you talking about, Mo? I haven't even... No.
This is strictly forbidden. Not only does she have one offense for having slime at school, no, she gets 2 offenses for selling at school. Not just slime, but if you sell anything at school, they don't allow it. They're not allowed to sell any kind of merchandise whatsoever. That's what it says here. And there will be a meeting held among the suspension team. Suspension team. This is how serious it is. She's like a good kid. She never ever breaks the rules. I don't know why she cannot stop selling slime at school. They will be in contact with me soon about the decision they have made. I have tried to protect Ada because she is a really good student, but this is her 3rd strike and is out of my hands. We got to get to the bottom of this and find where the slime is, confront Ada, and see what's going on. All right, so Ada's backpack is right in here, you guys. I'm just gonna get a little quick sneak peek just to make sure there's nothing like suspicious in here. All right, all I see is her folder. That's pretty normal. I didn't want to tell Jesse just yet because I want to figure out what's really going on before I confront him with it because he's gonna be really upset.
I see a letter down here from the principal.
What?
Yeah, there's a letter down here. Is this about Ada's grades?
Yeah, she's been doing really good. I already signed it. Don't worry, I already signed that. Just don't worry about it, babe.
Is this about the gifted classes?
Yeah, they were gonna put her in gifted. I already signed it all, so don't even worry about it, okay?
Well, wait. I just want to read it together.
No, but I already did it. I already know what it says.
I'm gonna read it.
No, you don't need to read it. I already know what it says. It's fine. It's just about the gifted classes.
Tara?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Don't freak out. I want to believe you because I know we took away all your slime stuff. And I really do want to believe you because I don't even know how that could be possible. You have no more slime supplies left. They're all gone. But I did receive a letter. Do you think he meant it for somebody else?
Probably.
Ada could possibly be suspended from school. It'll be really bad. So I don't know. I'm not going to tell him just yet. I want to talk to Ada first. He is not happy about whoever is selling slime in school. And the letter was addressed to me about you. Who's yelling?
It's Dad.
Hide! Run! Run, Ada!
Good luck, boo.
Jayla just wished us good luck. Where is he? Get down! Get down! He's coming. Ada, get under the bed. Get under the bed, Ada. Okay.
Hey, Dad. What do you want?
Where's Ada and
Oh, she's downstairs.
No, she's not. I just was yelling at her upstairs. Why are you lying?
I'm not.
Why are you lying?
All right, bye. Good luck, Ada.
Guys. Hey,
Huh?
where's Ada?
Ada?
Yeah.
I don't know. I was just here having a little chat with the Bellians about stuff.
Well,
What?
I don't think this letter is what you thought it was.
Why? What is it?
To the parents or guardians of Ada, I, as the dean of Ada School, am regretful.
Okay. I already read the letter. I know what it is. I know. What are we gonna do though? What do we do?
You read the letter?
Yes.
The whole letter?
Yes. Did you read the whole thing yet?
No.
Okay. She's been selling slime at school for the 3rd time, and she's been caught. And there's a suspension team that is gonna decide whether she gets to stay at school or not. So that's where we're at.
I mean, I know that, like, selling slime is, like, you know, not supposed to be happening, but I mean...
Like, it's not that big a deal, right?
Just because Ada's selling a little bit of slime, but... You know what, though? This is, like, the 3rd time. Ada, where are you?
Alright, she's under the bed. Ada, come out. Come on, bears. She's not coming out.
How much money have you been making doing this?
Ada, come out. The gig is up. We already know.
Right, well, I'm gonna go try to figure this out. You know what?
I told you I haven't been doing it.
I'm gonna get to the bottom of this.
How? I've checked everything. I've checked her backpack. I've looked everywhere. There's nothing
Well,
anywhere.
the weird thing is that, like, the last few times that we've gone shopping, Ada has always had a little bit of extra cash to buy slime supplies. And I know you haven't been paying her for her chores because her chores have not been getting done around the house. So that can really only mean one thing.
What? What can it really only mean? I've checked everywhere.
It means
I've
that
checked
she's
everything.
making money selling slime.
Did
But
you need
how?
coffee at Dunkin' Donuts?
What?
Yeah, what did...
Hey, you're in trouble. You don't get to get coffees from Dunkin'.
What is your deal? Like, you think that you're allowed to have coffee rights? No.
You better just fess up and tell the truth now.
I'm not selling.
Where's the slime?
I told you
Where
I'm
is
not
it?
selling it.
Where is it?
I don't even use it.
I want to know where
What
it
do
is.
you mean? It might, oh, you don't use it? What don't you use? The slime
I
that you
don't
make?
use, no, I don't use the slime stuff.
Where are you going?
This is gonna
The
sound...
chickens! They're just in the garage. Where are you going?
I have some.
You have what?
You really think I use it in the Jeep?
What are you doing?
Where did I put my wallet? Yesterday I found 61 smackaroos.
Where?
Just sitting out. And I don't know where the money came from.
That came from Jayla's wallet.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Not fun. I have a good question.
What?
Do you know where another sock is that looks like
Oh my
this one?
goodness. I don't got time for you right now. So that's the money you found.
This 100 was mine.
Okay.
I know that. But yesterday on the counter, after we got back shopping from Five Below and Ada bought a bunch of slime stuff on her own, I noticed all of this money.
I told you that's Jayla's.
Jayla!
Where'd Jayla get this from?
Jayla! Come here.
Not me.
Is this your money? No, is this your money?
Nope, Ada. Jayla! What? That is your money. It came out of your wallet. I watched you go, Ada's gonna get in trouble like this.
Oh, really? Where's your proof? Where's your evidence?
My proof is in my
Exactly.
Just tell me where the slime is.
I told you I don't have any slime. I told you.
Yeah, because she sold it all. So where's the money?
How are you sneaking this into school even?
I'm not. Oh, you know one place you haven't checked.
I already checked the backpack. There was nothing in there.
Backpack.
I checked it. I checked her backpack already.
Where is that? I can fess up and show you that
The principal said if we fess up, they will just let it go. If you promise to just never do it again.
Look.
Is there slime in there? What? In a Pringles can?
You put slime in a Pringles cup.
Yeah. So I can sell them at snack time.
Oh my gosh. Ada.
That's why she's been bringing so many Pringles to school every day.
And this is why the Pringles have been in a bag this whole time.
Yeah, you guys. I don't know what's up with your head.
She already admitted to it. She's
What
already
is
dumped out the
this?
contents of her
I
backpack.
got crunchy watermelon slime. It's really good.
She doesn't even care.
Oh, and my
She's-
favorite. I love this one. My favorites.
This is a really good slime. How much are you selling this for?
Where is it?
What are you looking for? What are you looking for now? Ada, what are you looking for?
A price sheet.
You have a price sheet, like
Oh my
official?
God. Wait, let me see
What?
this.
What is this?
Wait, hold this slime,
Okay,
huh?
so this one.
I don't want to hold slime.
Let me
Take
look
it
at this.
away.
Wait. This, you're like legit making money off of this. Why is the principal mad about you running a thriving business? Isn't that school? Aren't they supposed to learn in school? What is this? You're actually getting this amount of money for slime?
Kids are paying those prices? Really?
Crunchy watermelon slime, $12.50.
It's my best seller.
Sour apple, $5. Sunset Dream.
Oh yeah, I can drink it.
Let me see Sunset Dream. I think Mermaid's gotta go up in price
Mermaid's
too.
like old though. Mermaid's old news. Sunset Dream, that's like custom. You don't get that at the store.
I mean, it's hiding in a Pringles can. I mean, this is so smart. You came up with this? I mean, I don't think like.
That's
How
Sunset
did the principal catch you? Did you have like a random bag, like one that wasn't in a Pringles can?
No.
I wonder if somebody tattled.
Somebody sold her out.
They were jealous. of the money
Okay.
making scheme.
Honestly, all I think we gotta do is
Wait, what are the other slimes and prices?
the
Oh.
pumpkin for 20.
Yeah,
Let
pumpkin.
me
That's
see
my
pumpkin.
special right now.
Oh, that's our special right now, pumpkin slime, because it's like fall, y'all.
20
Yeah.
bucks?
My special.
Let me see it. I want to see the special.
Let me see this.
Also, it's the most filled too. So.
Oh my gosh. This is an excellent slime. And you're getting 20 bucks for this? There's probably only like $3 worth of product in here.
But
Ada's
plus,
done her math.
plus they get to keep the Pringles can, which is $5. But they don't have to keep the Pringles can. But if they want to,
That's
it's
where you're
an
going
extra
wrong
$5.
in your business. You have to keep it in the Pringles can. That's how you're getting caught.
That's how you
Somebody
know.
took the slime out, then they say, "Where'd you get that slime?" Ada sold it to me.
But nobody takes it in the plastic baggie.
I think we're gonna continue this business, and you know, I mean, if you get suspended,
Hello?
what?
No.
Are you
No.
kidding me? Why would we stop?
Ada, no more. No more.
Ada, let's do this.
This is our last chance. If we fess up and say that she'll never do it again, she gets to stay at school.
She's running a successful business.
Okay, well, let's
what if
say-
we just talk to the principal and say we'll donate 25% of the profits to the school?
Good idea. I think we should try that. What do you think, Ada? You're willing to give up a little dough to be able to keep selling at school?
Well, how much would I give them?
25%. So let's say you sold a slime for $1, you keep 75 cents.
That is not fair.
I know it's not fair, but I mean, at least we'd have something to negotiate with there.
How about we give them 2%?
Well, why don't we start at 10 and he might try to negotiate to 15? But you got to get your mom's buy-in on this. I mean, are we going to start running the slime business?
Never in my life would I have thought I heard those words come from you. Are we gonna be running a slime business? Out of school. Out of Ada's school. No, we're not letting this happen. The principal would never go for this. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you think the principal would agree, because I totally don't think the principal would agree.
Guys,
That would
give
be
this video
silly.
a big fat like if you think that the principal would
Oh, I like what you did there with trying to get them likes.
I'm not trying to get likes. I'm just trying to say, like, I think we could get not even get away with this. I mean, I think the principal will be down if we just include him in this business and say, hey, 25%. You know?
More
think
like
so.
10%.
I don't think it's gonna work.
Well, I think we're gonna have to do some serious thinking on it. What do you think, Ada?
I'm thinking right now.
All right, you guys comment down below. Is it a good idea or is it a bad idea? And if you guys have take on this idea, assume your own responsibility.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and we will see you in the next one. And remember to enjoy this Ethan, Uncle Jess thinks that Ada should try to start a legit slime business at school, because she's been making bank. But get the principal in on it, like offer him 10% of the profits.
Yeah.
She's making $20 on her pumpkin special.
How many of those did you sell?
I sound like 20.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I mean, what do you think? It's a good business, right? You should do it.
It's a good business, but keep it away from the principal.
So
No,
don't
we're gonna
tell
share
the
it.
principal?
We don't
Well,
tell
what
him.
if we share the
Don't tell
profits?
him. Don't tell him.
Don't
Don't share the profits. Keep 100% of the profits. Don't tell him. This has to be a lucrative business.
All right, well then, are you gonna get to making some slime so we can get some profits going?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna need at least...
I get 25%.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
15.
whoa! Slow down there, Tiger.
25.
Slow down there, Tiger. You're lucky if you get 10.
Then I'm not going to be running the business.
You're not gonna be in on selling the slime?
Nope, not if I get 25%.
Well, all right, 15,
20.
18,
20.
17.
19. 20.
All right.
16.
All right, we're done.
20.
We're done.
No.
We'll figure out the details later.
Obviously, this is a skit and everything, and you guys should
Or
never
put it in bloopers,
You guys
whatever you
should
wanna
never sell slime at school because you actually will get called up by the principal.
Sincerely, Principal Long Sleeves. I don't know if you guys can see that.
I look like a lot of kids in my class are in this class.
Well, Principal Long Sleeves is not happy with you.
Long sleeves.
What's his name? You didn't know that? You didn't know his name was Long Sleeves? To like kick somebody out of
Principal
school.
Long Sleeves?
Why does everybody keep making fun of his name? He's gonna be really
Why
offended
isn't he
to see this
Principal
video.
Short Sleeves?